Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into the 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, and remember, cryptos are open 24/7, so the chart has continued to unfold, and as the chart is now telling us, it was a very bearish weekend, and in fact, as I talk right now, the bears are still in full control, which you can see via the current price action right here. Remember, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, 15, 20 hours from now, yeah, the chart may look different to you, but my goal here is to keep the chart relevant and this video relevant for as long as possible. I'm going to do that by just talking about general levels, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of things. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning here, just get rid of that line up there. Then the first update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So the very first question that you need to ask yourself, and we'll just say 20 hours. So you're watching this video 20 hours from now. Question number one is, where does the price stand relative to 5,400? If you are answering the question that the price is still down below there, well, then nothing has really changed from a bearish perspective. The bears are still, without doubt, fully in control of the chart. Now, if you are answering somehow that the price is actually up above 5,400, then that would imply that not only has the price and the current bleeding that we're witnessing right now stopped, but it's actually turned itself around and made a very, very nice recovery. I'm pretty sure, but you never know with cryptos, but I highly doubt you're answering the question 15, 20 hours from now that the price is up above 5,400. But you never know, but that is, the first starting point. Now, if you are answering the question that the price is still down below 5,400, then it becomes a matter of, kind of how far below, meaning where's the price at relative to the current level where the price is right now, which would definitely be considered the near-term level of support right here at 5,000. 5,000, I call it a support just because it's a big old round number of 5,000. I mean, if that's not a round number, I don't know what is, and that's definitely going to be a very important level. So again, if you are answering the question that the price is down below 5,400, then the next question needs to become, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 5,000? If the price is still up above it, so in other words, it's between these two lines, well, then at that point, one word could, summarize that price movement, and that would just be, consolidation for the moment. Now, if you're answering the price is actually down below 5,000, then it just becomes a matter of common sense, gut instincts, meaning if the price is, right there, okay, sure, it's below it, but it's not like things have totally collapsed. If you're answering the question that the price is, down here at, let's just say 4,800 all of a second, that would just tell you that the bears are not only still in full control, they're just gaining that much more momentum. So use these general levels to kind of keep the video and chart as relevant for as long as possible. Yeah, as of the recording of the video, the bears are in full control, no doubt about it. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.